Hey guys, today I'm going to give you a quick little tour of my new 2021 Chevy Silverado with the LZ Sherrod package. Stay tuned to the end of the video and click the link, and I'll have a little comparison of my dad's 1987 Chevrolet Silverado. Thank you for watching the videos. This is the LZ-1 edition. It has the flag pattern from Sherrod. The LZ package does come with a 6-inch lift. Steps in the bumper. And wheel-to-wheel running boards. Power release tailgate. And I've had installed the aluminum metal power tonneau cover, which can be operated by a key fob. There's also an LED light, in addition to the two LED lights that are already in the bed of the truck itself. Very light tailgate. Power windows, power mirrors, door locks. We have the trailer mode and the running mode. 2-wheel high, 4-wheel low, and automatic. Your lights, your bed lights, your dimmer switches, your headlights. We have the cruise control settings and the heated steering wheel. And over here controls the voice operation and the phone, and the commands for the little icon there in the middle. It does have the 8-inch touch screen. Backup camera, and for trailer. Trailering controls, parking assist, tailgate, hazard lights, power control that turns on the power for the outlet here and the one in the bed of the truck. It has dual climate control. It has a little storage area here, plus one up on the dash. 2 cup holders with a storage area between. An area you could keep your phone or some more storage up on top here in the center console, and 2 more cup holders. Inside we have just a little storage tray, and underneath is your storage safe. This one has a combination. Some have key locks. I forgot to mention there are USB and auxiliary ports in here, as well as an SD port to go along with the ones here. It has the dual glove compartments. The bottom one is lockable. And again, this truck is outfitted with the Sherrod package, which has the leather diamond pleated seats. And here we have the OnStar commands, the controls for the rear sliding window, and a couple command buttons that you can set. This one is set for our garage door. This is the crew cab, so it has the large back seat. It does have a couple of storage bins on either side there, and a pull down armrest cup holder in the middle. These seats raise up to give you more storage space and have a little storage compartment area underneath. There are more USB ports back here. And it does have the Bose stereo system. This truck has the 5.3 V8. It's also available in the 6.2 liter. Lots of upgrades from Sherrod. And that is my 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500 RST 4-wheel drive with the LZ Sherrod package. Click the link above if you'd like to see a look back, a step back in time 34 years at my dad's 1987 Chevrolet Silverado. Thank you for watching the videos.